Welcome to the team. This short video will guide you through completing your new Hire onboarding form. To help us get everything set up for your start, please follow these simple steps. First, access the form using the link provided in your onboarding email or document. Fill out all the required fields with your information. Once you're finished, scroll to the bottom and click the Submit button. Great! You'll now see a confirmation page. The next step is important for your personal records. To save a copy, locate the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the page. Click on that menu, and then select Print Response. From here, you can either print a physical copy or, we recommend, save the form as a PDF file on your computer. And that's it, you're all set. We are so excited to have you on the team. Welcome aboard!